Good morning, student. Today we will learn one more interesting subject, that is GK, in which our topic is taglines. What is tagline? Taglines is a short text which serves to clarify a thought for or is designed with form of dramatic effects. Many taglines are repeated phrases associated with an individual, social group, or product. So, students, you must have seen advertisement at television with catchy slogans. Today, we will learn about such slogans or taglines with the brand associated with them. So, our first brand is Adidas. Its tagline is "Impossible is nothing." So, Adidas is a multinational corporation founded and headquartered in Germany that designs and manufactures shoes, clothing, and accessories. It is the largest sportswear manufacturer in Europe and the second largest in the world after Nike. The company was started by Adolf Dassler in his mother's house. He was joined by his elder brother Rodolphe in 1924 under the name Dassler Brothers Shoe Factory. In 1949, following a breakdown in the relationship between the brothers, Adolphe created Adidas and Rodolphe established Puma, which became Adidas' business rival. So, full form of Adidas is "All day I dream about sports." Now, students, what we have learned? The first tagline of R is "Impossible is nothing" and the brand is Adidas. Now, our next tagline is "Think different" and the brand is Apple. Students, you all have seen iPhone of Apple brand. So, let me explain about the tagline "Think different." Think different is an advertising slogan used from 1997 to 2002 by Apple Computer Inc., now named Apple Inc. The campaign was created by the Los Angeles Office of Advertising Agency. The slogan has been widely taken as a response to IBM's slogan "Think." It was used in a television advertisement, several print advertisements, and several TV promos for Apple products. Think different was still printed on the back of the box of the iMac and possibly elsewhere. So, we have learned about the second tagline, that is "Think different" and the brand is Apple. So, our third tagline is "Finger licking good." The brand is KFC. The full form of KFC is Kentucky Fried Chicken. KFC has been an extensive advertiser since the establishment of the first franchise in 1952. Founder Harland Sanders initially developed Has Colony persona as a low-cost marketing tool. The colonel image is still used extensively in the China's advertising. The chain is well known for the "Finger licking good" slogan, which originated in 1956. So, our third tagline is "Finger licking good" and the brand is KFC. So, let's come on our fourth tagline, that is "Just do it" and the brand is Nike. So, let me tell you about Nike. Just do it is a trademark of shoe company Nike, and it is one of the core components of Nike's brand. The slogan was coined in 1988 at a advertising agency meeting. The founder of the Wieden and Kindle agency, Dan Wieden, credits the inspiration from his Just Do It Nike slogan to Gary Gilmore's last word, "Let's do it." The Just Do It campaign allowed Nike to further increase its share of the North American domestic sports shoe business from 18% to 43% from 1988 to 1998. In many Nike related situations, Just Do It appears alongside Nike logo known as swoosh. So we have learned about the fourth tagline, that is Just Do It, and the brand is Nike. Let's come on the fifth tagline, that is I'm loving it, and the brand is McDonald's. So let me explain about the tagline I'm loving it, loving it. The I'm loving it campaign was launched way back in 2003 and still stands strong today. This is a great example of slogan that resonate with the brand's target audience. McDonald's food might be poor for your health, but being healthy isn't the benefit McDonald's is promising. It's that you will love the taste. They are appealing to people who like salty, flavorful food, and its slogan makes that clear from the get-go. So our fifth tagline is I am loving it, and the brand is McDonald's. Now let's come on our sixth tagline, that is connecting people, and the brand is Nokia. Let me explain about the tagline connecting people. At Nokia, connecting people is more than a tagline. Its mission statement that has guided almost everything we have done for over 20 years. Much has changed in that time. The number of people with access to a mobile device has grown from 0.4% of the population to the present day, when over a billion people connect every day with a Nokia. What's more, the definition of what it means to be connected has changed. The impact of internet has been just as profound as that of the mobile phones on our daily lives. But even today, only 30% of the world's population has access, far less than the proportion that has access to a mobile device. So with devices like the Nokia 109, Nokia 110 and Nokia 112, we are bringing the mobile internet to the next billion and beyond. So we have learned about the sixth tagline, that is connecting people, and the brand is Nokia. Now let's come on our seventh tagline, that is Taste of India, and the brand is Amul. Students, let me explain the full form of Amul, that is Anand Milk Union Limited. Taste of India, these four words are more than what the common man may think of these a mere slogan. Amul's networking, pricing and more. So, commitment to reach every part of India has made this possible. Sri Canon Krishna truly understood what Amul stood for and therefore aptly believed that the taste of India said it all. So, our seventh tagline is Taste of India and the brand is Amul. So, our eighth tagline is the mint with a hole and the brand is Polo. Let me explain you about the tagline mint with a hole. Polo Mint is a brand of breathe mint whose defining feature is the hole in the middle. The peppermint flavored Polo was first manufactured in the United Kingdom in the United Kingdom in 1948 by employee John Bargwell at the Rowntree's factory, York, and a range of flavors followed. The name derives from polar, referencing the cool, fresh taste of the mint. So, our eighth tagline is the mint with a hole and the brand is Polo. Now let's come on our last tagline, that is the ninth one, tires with muscles, and the brand is MRF. The full form of MRF is Madras Rubber Factory Limited. Madras Rubber Factory Limited, commonly known by the abbreviation MRF, is an Indian multinational and the largest manufacturer of tires in India and the 14th largest manufacturer in the world. It is headquartered in Chennai, India. The company manufactures rubber products including tires, treads, tubes and conveyor belt, paints and toys. So our last and the ninth tagline is tires with muscles and the brand is MRF. So let's recall all the taglines. The first one is impossible is nothing and the brand is Adidas. Second tagline is think different and the brand is Apple. Third tagline is finger licking good and the brand is KFC. The fourth tagline is just do it and the brand is Nike. Fifth tagline is I'm loving it and the brand is McDonald's. Sixth tagline connecting people and the brand is Nokia. Seventh tagline is the taste of India and the brand is Amul. Eighth tagline is mint, the mint with a hole and the brand is Polo. On the ninth, the last tagline is tires with muscles and the brand is MRF. Thank you.